Hello guys, and welcome to our 8th tutorial of compiling and installing GTK4. Until now we saw how we can set our environment, Mason, glib, Cairo, gobject-introspection, Pango, and of course we saw in the last video the gdk-pixbuf, how we can install it. Now before we proceed, let us check it first. Package minus config minus libs, and then gdk minus pixbuf minus 2.0, and as you can see it is found from our system, but it is not what we need. So let me call the C flags, and you will see C flags right here, and as you can see it says only in the USR it is found, and it is not what we need. And this happens because we didn't set our environment like we should do all the time. So let me call the source set environment first, and now if we call again on, you see now it is pointing to the right one which we needed. And of course if we call the C flag as well, we get all this nice information which we needed, which means everything looks good. I'm not going to close the terminal, because if I'm doing that I'm going to call that and I'm going to need to set environment again, and a lot of things or nested thing can go or happen. Anyway, before we proceed we need to check if we have the Pygments. If not, we need it also. So with the pip3 installed, we're going to check it. Okay, we have it, which is good. Now we need these 4 dependencies or libraries as well, which takes a little bit time, and I'm going to hit pause until it's done. Now that those dependencies they got installed, we can proceed with compiling or building our GTK Doc, which is very important for our progress of installing GTK4 on Linux Mint 20.1. Now before we proceed, again I'm going to check if indeed GTK Doc version 1.33.2 it is the last one. If it's not, I'm going to update it with the actual information. 1.33, yes, 1.32, okay, and we have 1.3, yes, which is fine. Okay, so basically we do have the last available version. Let us get it with the help of wget. Now the next thing, we are going to extract it. After that we are going to move in that folder, and now with the help of Mason we are starting to building it. It went quite fast, as you can see, which is good. And now with the help of Ninja we are going to proceed with the build, which also went very fast. And the last thing, build install. It takes us a couple seconds until it gets done, because it needs to set it. Now I'm going to close this terminal, and I'm going to go to my user folder, USR, sorry, my home folder, include, and here we have now, because we don't have include, we have only libraries. And let me see, GTK package config, and where are you? Strange. Let me see for a second. That's quite strange. Cairo, script Cairo, GTK speaked of, glib, cmake, we have it, package config, and it is indeed not here. Why is that? GDK, yes, we have those tests. Share, yeah, of course. Man, sorry guys, my bad. Because it's a documentation, it should always be in the user share. That was my mistake, sorry guys. So, as you can see, we have all the data right here from the documentation, together with the Gtk Doc Python scripts. Sorry guys, I was thinking in another place. Gtk Doc it's just a documentation which is found in our USR share. Okay, that being said, thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, share with your friends and neighbors, and until next time, see you guys.